Hey everyone, welcome back to Devices Setup channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up any Wi-Fi repeater in just 2 minutes. Yes, it doesn't matter whether you bought it from Amazon, eBay, Walmart or anywhere else. This guide works for almost every model out there. Most Wi-Fi repeaters use the same setup process and default IP address. So follow along carefully and you will have it running in no time. First things first, plug your Wi-Fi repeater into a power outlet. Now, if you have already tried setting it up before and it didn't work, I highly recommend resetting it before we start. You can watch the reset tutorial linked in the description below for a quick walkthrough. Next, plug the repeater somewhere close to your router, ideally within 5 to 10 feet. This ensures a strong connection during setup. Once the setup is complete, you can move it to your desired location. Now grab a device. It could be a laptop, Windows or Mac, or a mobile phone, Android or iPhone. Open your Wi-Fi list next and you will see your Wi-Fi repeater network there. Something like Wi-Fi-repeater, some digits, or wireless N, or Wi-Fi Plus, or Wi-Fi Pro, etc. This network usually has no lock icon, meaning it's an open network. You just need to tap and connect to it. You can also confirm the name in your repeater's user manual if needed. Once connected, open your web browser. In most cases, the setup page pops up automatically. If not, simply type 192.168.10.1 in the address bar and press enter. If that doesn't work, don't worry. I have listed a few other common setup IPs on the screen right now, like 192.168.0.254 or 192.168.1.1, etc. Try them one by one until you reach the login page. When the login page appears, you will be asked for a username and password. You can find these printed on the back label of your Wi-Fi repeater. Enter them, then click Login or Next. Now select Repeater mode, or sometimes called Extender mode. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password for verification. Next, you can either keep the default extended Wi-Fi name SSID or change it to something custom like home_extender, then hit save or apply. After setup, your new repeater Wi-Fi network will appear in your Wi-Fi list. Connect your phones, laptop, smart TVs, Alexa, security cameras, or any other smart home devices to this extended network and enjoy faster coverage in every corner of your home. If you ever want to log back into the repeater after setup for changing settings or passwords, then check out the dedicated video linked below in the description. I have also added a video on some common mistakes to avoid when placing your extender, so make sure to watch that too for optimum coverage. And finally, if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Devices Setup, and drop a comment below if you have faced any issue, and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.